Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out the Wanmai brushed nickel kitchen faucet. It's a commercial pull-down sink faucet. Alright, let's see what we got in the box here. Nice little foam packaging. Installation notes. Okay, it looks like here we have a couple of hoses. So one's got the blue lines on it for cold, and one's red for hot, obviously. Okay. Next we have this brass fitting to go on the bottom to hold it onto the counter. A couple washers on there. And then the faucet itself. Here, let's check this out, shall we? Okay, it feels pretty sturdy here. Alright, so this has a 360-degree rotation. Let's see, okay, to lock that in place. This also rotates wherever you want it to, and then to put it back on the, just like that. Okay, I believe it has spray and regular features on the, let's see, so probably the main one is the spray here, or the regular water flow, and then spray on the outside when you push it. Alright, feels like good construction here. This is supposed to be a ceramic, oh, what is it? My goodness, I just had a mental block. And I can't think of it, my goodness. Anyways, it's supposed to be a ceramic part in here. Valve, there we go, for that. And this has a nice spring-looking industrial look to it. It feels fairly sturdy. Nice brushed nickel finish here. I'm actually going to do an install here pretty quick, and I'll be making a video to that as well. I shall be linking that in the description below once I get that finished, so you guys can check that out. But anyways, you can get this off of Amazon for just under $80. And I will leave a link in the description below with that as well. So thanks for watching this unboxing. I'm going to go do an install video, and we'll see you guys next time. Everyone have a great day out there, and take care.